Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install X application on your Android device. If you want to install X application, formerly known as Twitter, on your Android device, whether you are using mobile device or tablets, here's how you can do it. First of all, open up your Google Play Store from your Android device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now from the Google Play Store homepage, go to the bottom and tap on search. In the search bar, type in X app. Once done, search for the application and in the search result, look for this application from X Corp. Now, click on the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the app gets installed, and once it does, tap on Open to launch the X app. You'll also be able to find the app in your home screen or app drawer once the installation is complete. Now you can log in with your existing account or create a new account if you're new to X. And that's how you have successfully downloaded and installed X application on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.